Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the mysteries of outer space with some incredible random facts that will blow your mind. From the incomprehensible vastness of the universe to the bizarre behaviors of celestial objects, we're about to embark on a journey that will ignite your curiosity and leave you in awe of the cosmos. So, buckle up and let's launch into this cosmic journey. Have you ever stopped to think about just how big our universe really is? It's a question that can leave you feeling both curious and overwhelmed. The observable universe stretches out for billions of light years in every direction, encompassing an unimaginable expanse of space. 1 light year is about 5.88 trillion miles. To put that into perspective, light travels at a speed of about 186,282 miles per second. Multiply that by 93 billion, and you start to get a sense of the scale we're talking about. It's a number so vast, it's almost beyond human comprehension. The faintest stars you see in the night sky have light that has been traveling for thousands, even millions of years to reach your eyes. Imagine the journey that light has taken across the cosmos. The Hubble Space Telescope has captured images of galaxies so far away that their light has been stretched and shifted to the red end of the spectrum, a phenomenon known as redshift. This stretching of light tells us a lot about the movement and distance of these celestial objects. This tells us that these galaxies are moving away from us at incredible speeds, further evidence that the universe is expanding. The more distant a galaxy, the faster it appears to be moving away. But here's the kicker. We have no idea how big the universe truly is beyond what we can observe. The observable universe is just a tiny fraction of the whole cosmos. It could go on forever, or it could be finite but unbounded, like the surface of a sphere. This means that even if you traveled in a straight line, you might eventually end up back where you started. The sheer size of the universe is both humbling and awe-inspiring, reminding us that we are just a small part of something much greater than ourselves. It challenges our understanding and ignites our curiosity to explore and learn more. What's the coldest place in the universe? That title goes to the Boomerang Nebula, located about 5,000 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Centaurus. The temperature in the Boomerang Nebula plunges down to a bone-chilling 1 degree Kelvin, just a single degree above absolute zero. It's colder than the background temperature of space itself, which hovers around 2.7 Kelvin. This extreme cold is due to a dying star at its center, shedding its outer layers of gas and dust at an incredible rate, creating those distinctive lobes that give the nebula its name. As this material expands outward, it rapidly cools, much like how a refrigerator uses expanding gas to lower temperatures. What if I told you there's a planet in our solar system where a day is longer than a year? That's right, I'm talking about Venus. Venus takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation, while its year is only 225 Earth days. Imagine celebrating your birthday more frequently than you see a sunrise. It's a completely alien concept to us. This is due to Venus's extremely slow retrograde rotation, spinning in the opposite direction of most planets in our solar system. Scientists believe this could be the result of a massive collision early in Venus's history that knocked it off its original axis. So, the next time you're complaining about a long day, just remember Venus, where a day is longer than a year. It's a reminder that our corner of the cosmos is full of surprises, and that even the most familiar objects can hold extraordinary secrets. The universe is filled with vast structures, clusters of galaxies stretching across unimaginable distances. One such structure is the Great Wall of Galaxies, spanning over 500 million light-years across the universe. To give you a sense of scale, our own Milky Way galaxy is a mere 100,000 light-years across. The Great Wall of Galaxies is over 5,000 times larger than our entire galaxy. Discovered in 1989 by astronomers Margaret Geller and John Huchra, this cosmic behemoth challenged the prevailing view that galaxies were randomly scattered throughout space. It became clear that the universe was far more structured than we ever imagined. The Great Wall of Galaxies is a testament to the power of gravity, which can draw matter together over vast distances, sculpting these colossal cosmic structures. It's a sobering thought to realize that even entire galaxies are just tiny building blocks in a much larger cosmic order. We've all seen the movies, spaceships soaring through the void, lasers blasting, and epic battles unfolding in the vastness of space. explosions rocking the screen. But there's one crucial element missing from these cinematic depictions: sound. In reality, space is eerily silent. Space is a near-perfect vacuum, meaning it's almost entirely devoid of matter. Without air or any other medium, sound waves have nothing to travel through. Without a medium for sound waves to travel through, it stands to reason that space should be utterly silent. No air, no sound, just an endless, quiet expanse. However, space is teeming with activity, from the birth and death of stars to the violent supernova explosions that light up the cosmos. There are also the colossal collisions of galaxies, merging and interacting in a cosmic dance, generating waves of energy that ripple through the universe. These waves aren't sound waves in the traditional sense, but they are vibrations nonetheless. They carry energy and information across vast distances. For example, stars emit waves of pressure, much like the vibrations from a speaker, but without air to carry them, we can't hear them. These pressure waves are silent to our ears. However, these pressure waves can interact with magnetic fields and plasma, which are found in certain regions of space, such as around stars and black holes. This interaction can create detectable signals. So, while we can't technically hear sound in space in the same way we do on Earth, we can listen in on the universe's symphony by detecting these converted electromagnetic waves. It's a different kind of music, one that tells the story of the cosmos. Our sun seems like a pretty impressive star, right? Well, prepare to have your mind blown because, in the grand cosmic scheme of things, our sun is pretty average. Let me introduce you to Uy Scuti, a red hypergiant star located about 9,500 light-years away in the constellation Scutum. This celestial behemoth is about 1,700 times larger than our sun. If you were to replace our sun with Uy Scuti, this monstrous star would stretch out beyond the orbit of Jupiter, engulfing Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and the asteroid belt in its fiery embrace. Despite its enormous size, Uy Scuti is incredibly far away and partially obscured by interstellar dust, making it relatively faint to the naked eye. But don't let its faintness fool you. Uy Scuti is a true titan of the cosmos, a shining example of the incredible diversity and scale of the universe. Black holes. The very name evokes a sense of mystery and perhaps a touch of fear. These enigmatic entities have fascinated scientists and the public alike for decades. They're the cosmic monsters of gravity, objects so dense that nothing, not even light, can escape their gravitational clutches. Their immense gravitational pull warps space and time around them. For centuries, black holes were purely theoretical constructs, mathematical curiosities predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. These predictions seemed almost too strange to be real. But in recent decades, we've finally begun to observe these enigmatic objects, confirming their existence and revealing their awe-inspiring power. Advanced telescopes and technology have allowed us to capture images and gather data. Imagine a star, much more massive than our sun, reaching the end of its life. This colossal star undergoes a dramatic transformation. As its nuclear fuel runs out, the star collapses in on itself, crushing its core into an infinitely small point called a singularity. This process is both violent and fascinating. This singularity is surrounded by an event horizon, a boundary in space-time beyond which gravity is so strong that nothing can escape. It's like a one-way door to oblivion. Once you cross the event horizon, there's no turning back. You're destined to be pulled inexorably toward the singularity. The laws of physics as we know them cease to apply. Supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times the mass of our sun, lurk at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. These giants play a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic adventure. We've journeyed from the edge of the observable universe to the heart of a black hole, encountering mind-boggling scales, extreme temperatures, and objects that defy our everyday understanding of physics. But most importantly, I hope these facts have sparked your curiosity about the universe we live in. If you enjoyed these amazing facts about outer space, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Leave a comment below with your favorite space fact or any questions you have. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.